I knew Gqemeza waqala iproducer.
Okay.
I knew he was going to be big.
Yes.
And he was part of the team. Waqala producer Linda Sbi. So I knew I will tell you Usman Bani is going to be big, and it happened. In fact, if ungabuka manje, even no Khosi manje, the duos that we put together at that time, basawasebenzisana namhlanje. Yes. Kulaba basakhona.
Yeah.
And I knew, and the bonke bahlale besho, even as a 2000 I did the same, because even 2000 people are still saying now your lineup was the best. I'm able to say no, even if ngikuzwa for the first time mhlambe there is a lady nje esamthatha kwenye Rainbow FM, and uNtombi namhlanje.
Oh, Ntombi Meso.
Yes, she's doing
Love her.
9.
Yes.
9. I took her from a community radio station, Rainbow FM, and it's a Christian radio station. And I said, you are going to be big. Today she's doing 9 to 12.
Yes.
Just going places.
Yeah.
Just big.
So I'm even at 2000 because I needed to blend white people and Indian people, and so we were able to say, okay, at this time, finally analyze my numbers. I think what is missing manje we radio, sorry, managers abathathe ama numbers masithola ama results. You need to analyze who is listening to you. Is it an Indian person? Is it a colored person? Is it a black person? Nokuthi ke lo black ukiphi LSM, so that you fake a presenter ehambisana nalokho. If more Indians are listening, fake India lapha. If more coloreds are listening, fake. That's what I did, because I love content, and I'm very as a person very analytical. So man angena entweni engayazi.
Yeah.
So man ngingena entweni ngisuka.
Ayisezwa ke njobela akangeni into nangayazi.
Uqala ukuhlola.
So ngiyabheka research, it goes back to the research.
Sure.
Fawuthatha ama numbers sasingawatholi nje ama numbers bese sithi hayi this one is doing well. You need to analyze it what age group, so that you service those people. What is lacking is us analyze sifaka abantu abangafiti kulawo ma slots, because mhlambe they've managed to be big, so they're not going to last long. Abanye abasakazi bawumlilo wamaphepha, I always say that, but they are the ones abazokwenzela imali eningi
for that period.
But bese kuba khona laba abazohlala isikhathi. So you need to balance as well labo bantu. Ube khona laba abazohlala isikhathi, ama home defenders, and they go and they mature with time. Bese kuba khona laba
Your Wilson Pinkosi.
Yes. Bese kuba khona laba bazovele umlilo 5 years, boom, gone.
As an example,
sike sakhuluma ngama home defenders, like uMama Thokozani, Mamkhize Ndlovu, besikhuluma ngama legends, people who have been there in radio in every season. They've stood the test of time. So ibona labo babalayo. Yeah.
Oh, Vicky Masuku. You know, all those people. So you need to balance. A problem here too on radios. Funa labantu abadumi
Yeah.
Ufuna laba abazoduma, but ufuna nalaba abazohlala.
Yeah.
Ufuna nalaba abazohlala mhlambe halfway, bese uba nalaba abazohlala the longest of time. Awubafuna OBG abazofika. Ngisafuna ngaza nto safuna ngimanage. Masufika lapha, ufika ushintshe bese uqedile. Sengi-right kapayini, sengiyokhonza uJesu.
Yes.
Something interesting you just said about Ntombi Meso. I love her show. I love her. Ngiyamlalela kakhulu. Now you said umlande we community radio.
Wangifonela.
Yeah, okay, yes, but wakufonela wa-applya, so she's recruited from a community radio. Can you speak to the importance of a community radio? I love community radio, and I believe that is a good platform for presenters to sharpen themselves. But yeah, I want you to speak to that as a former PM yourself, because they need to be encouraged, those guys who are there.
Yeah, guys, can't say to get in SABC, we were encouraged to support community radio station. So umuntu mezobheka ngangilalela ama community radio station ngibheka ukuthi iphi talent esingakwazi ukuthi sithathe to a national radio station, and that's the reason Rosa they came, you know, because they were coming from ama community radio station and a whole lot of others, because nakhona yes amanye zobathatha from estradini ubafake studio, but give those people a chance back my community radio stations ukuthi nabo bathole chance on a national station, you know. So I believe in mina community radio has worked in other countries, maningi ama countries all over the world la community radio isebenze khona, and abantu baqala lapha banyuke bagcine sebekuma national radio stations.
Yeah.
So umbuzo nje close to that. So abantu abakuma community radio njengamanje as umuntu obe former programs manager, you know programs manager abayibhekayo before bamqasha umuntu ngaphandle nje kwe talent, ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi baningi abantu aba talented esibezwa aba talented kodwa they are not making it to national or commercial radio. Yini ebheka programs manager?
Okay, one, it's your character.
Okay.
Because that is important. Mangikhuluma nawe ngizwane.
Yes.
Or makhuluma eredweni ukhuluma down on your people, or ukhuluma you honor your audience, because there is a difference. If ukhuluma down mina angeke ngiqashe, ngoba abalaleli ibona basiphethe.
Yeah.
So mawuzokhuluma ngendlela yokungabahlonipha abalaleli, hayi ngeke uzulast, ngoba mosufika khosini phela uzokhuluma emkhulu bese uyakhohlwa ukuthi unyuswe labantu. So the character is very important. Two, irrespect. For me that was important, because even if uhlangana nomlaleli emall, mawuba respecta labantu uzoshutha naye isithombe noma ungathandi, uzohleka usmile naye noma ungathandi, mhlawumbe it's a birthday yakho, because laba phela boss bethu. Yes. And then three, abanye abantu abayibheki ke manje voice projection.
Okay.
How do you play around with voice yakho?
Yeah.
Are you able ukufitha gogogo? That is isikhathi for thina. Are you able ukufitha kuyintsha? Nokuthi mawukhuluma ukhuluma kanjani? Nansi mic la. Ngiyakhisa ini mic noma ngiyahlela. Ziningi izinto esibheka ezayibhekwayo. Engabhekwa, yes, the technique of mic technique.
Yes.
That is as important kumina ukuthi wenza kanjani. Three, the flow as well. Uflow kanjani? Usho abaningi.
Ilink nje
No. And enye into mawukhuluma kwi-link ke, mawukhuluma kwi-link, how many messages are you passing? Ngilalela nje manje bakhuluma 5 minutes. Engenziwa lento ukuthi ngesikhathi sethu. Interview phela you 5 minutes, 1 minute in link. In fact ngangibabekela, you know this thing here, a class.
Yes. Okay. That hourglass thing.
Hourglass thing. Minutes. My phela in link yakho faye phela and you move on.
Wow.
So ilezi into sasibheka, and you will sit down with them ngithi your link was too long. Awukwazi ngoba umuntu nje normal person uthatha one idea at a time. So angikwazi umnikeza umlaleli izinto ezu3 ngelink eyodwa. Yeah.
Hey, singena kwi radio master class manje.
I love it. Yes, sesodlula mhlawumbe bese sibuka ko busy ngakho njengamanje. Just on my side, just to wrap up on radio. Just your overall thoughts on the state of radio njengamanje. Uthintile kancane khona earlier on, kodwa ngingathanda ukuzwa a little bit more ukuthi ucabangani ngendlela iradio eyiyona njengamanje.
Uyazi SABC khona unyaka abangicela ukuthi ngibuye ngawo. Ngizoba ko the head office ngibhekelele wonke ama station ngabatshela ngathi ngizoxosha 80% of the people on air. So ngeke ngithanda.
People on air.
Yeah. Ngathi cela niphume kumina. Ngoba I love the content, I love radio, I love delivery. So umuntu ezomesapha nje ngiyaxolisa ukusho lokho engizokusho. It has gone down. from our times. The love sekungenwa kwi radio ngoba abantu befuna ukuduma. Abantu sebengena kwi radio ngoba befuna ukwenza imali. Angisho ukuthi ukwenza imali akubalekile. Kodwa the main thing umlaleli. You know, I met leader Sibiya semngcwabeni kaBabugumpi SD. And the part of our discussion was ngoba ke he's training people on radio.
Yes.
I said to him, "Hey Linda, man train abantu lezi ngane ani training sibuyise le radio." And lola thando lwe radio. And le yanto esasinayo thina ye radio. Ngoba manje inkinga ekhona mawumemeza nje usu right. And it's information era manje abantu bafuna ukuthola i-radio bayisebenzisa as a source of information. So masingabaniki lokho abantu ke bazogcina beya kwezinye indawo. Kune competition manje ye social media as well. So mongabaniki lento abayifunayo bazoya somewhere else.
Sure.
My prayer umthandazo wami ukuthi akubuyiswe that love of radio kubantu abakhona in the craft. Masibuyisa uthando lwe radio konke okunye kuzokwenzeka.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I think let's move on to what you are currently doing. You responded to the call of God, and the call of God led you to ukuthi usishiye thina esithanda i-radio, and you just became an advisor. So